And when you look at AppDefense there, what you see is that all your guest virtual machines and all your hosts, hundreds of them and thousands of virtual machines, are enabled for AppDefense. It's in there. And what that does is immediately gets you visibility into the processes running on those virtual machines and their risk. For the first time, think about it, for the first time, you're looking at the infrastructure through the lens of an application. Here, for example, the e-commerce application, you can see the components that make up that application, how they interact with each other, the specific process talking to a specific IP address on a specific port. That's what you get.
So we're learning the behavior.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. But how do you make sure you only learn good behavior?
Exactly. How do we make sure that it's not bad? We actually verify. We ensure it's all good. We ensure that every binary's reputation is verified. We ensure that the behavior is verified. Let's go to SVC host, for example. This process can exhibit hundreds of behaviors across numerous CLIs. What we do here is we actually verify that for you. That's not us. It's actually our machine learning models that have been trained on millions of instances of goodware, as you said, and they've automatically verified that for you. We've learned simply.
Okay, so we said learn. Now lock. How does that work?
Well, once you've learned the application, locking it is as simple as clicking on that verify and protect button, and there you can lock both the compute and the network, and it's done.
So we've pushed those policies into NSX and microsegmentation has been established?
Exactly. Let's first look at compute.
Okay.
We actually locked down the compute, and what we've done is the operating system is protected, the processes and the behaviors are locked down to exactly what is allowed for that application. And we have taken those policies and programmed your firewall. This is NSX being configured automatically for you, locked with one single click.
Very good. So we said learn, lock. Now, how does this adapt thing work?
Well, as you know, Pat, change is the only constant with modern applications. Applications change on a continuous basis. What we do is actually pretty simple. We look at every change as it comes in, determine it's good or it's bad. If it's good, we say allow it, update the policies. If it's bad, we deny it. Let's look at an example. LSAS.exe, it's exhibiting a behavior that we've not seen during the learning period.
Okay, so this machine has never behaved this way.
This hasn't behaved that way.
Okay.
But again, our machine learning models have seen thousands of instances of this process. They know this is normal. It talks on 389 all the time. So what it's done is a few things. It's lowered the criticality of the alarm.
Okay, so false positives.
Exactly.
Okay.
The bane of security operations, false positives. And it has gone and updated, changed those locks on compute and on network to allow for that behavior. Application continues to work and is protected.
Okay, so we've seen learn, lock, and adapt in action, right, through the compute and the network. What about the client?
Well, we do with Workplace ONE Intelligence protect and manage end-user endpoints, but Workspace ONE Intelligence, NSX, and AppDefense actually work together to protect your entire data center infrastructure. But don't believe me, you can watch it for yourself. Tomorrow at 1 p.m., Tom Korn's keynote. You want to be there or be nowhere. I invite you.
Hey, thank you, Vijay.
Thank
Great
you.
job. Thank you
Thanks
so
a
much.
lot.